The Russia-Ukraine conflict, understanding the historical context and exploring potential paths to peaceful resolution. Introduction. The Russia-Ukraine conflict has been ongoing since 2014, when Russia annexed Crimea and supported separatist movement in eastern Ukraine. This presentation will provide a historical overview of the conflict and explore potential paths to peaceful resolution. Historical context. The conflict between Russia and Ukraine has deep historical roots, dating back to the 18th century. Key events include the Soviet era, the Orange Revolution, and the Euromaidan protests. These events have shaped the current political and social landscape of both countries. International response. The international community has responded to the conflict through sanctions, diplomatic efforts, and military aid to Ukraine. However, there is no consensus on the best approach to resolving the conflict. Some advocate for a peaceful diplomatic solution, while others support a more aggressive stance towards Russia. Humanitarian impact. The conflict has had a devastating impact on the people of Ukraine, with over 13,000 deaths and 1.5 million people displaced. The humanitarian crisis has been exacerbated by the COVID-19 pandemic, which has further strained Ukraine's healthcare system. Potential solutions. There are several potential paths to resolving the conflict, including diplomatic negotiations, peacekeeping missions, and a political settlement. However, each approach has its own challenges and limitations, and there is no easy solution to the conflict. Conclusion. The Russia-Ukraine conflict is a complex and ongoing issue that requires continued attention and engagement from the international community. While there are no easy solutions, it is important to continue exploring potential paths to peaceful resolution and to support the people of Ukraine as they work towards a brighter future. Thanks. Please like, subscribe,